The all-new 2019 Audi A7 takes the technology, performance, and design of the Audi A8 flagship and squeezes those features into a slightly smaller but far more shapely hatchback, or sportback, in Audi parlance, body style. Like the flagship A8 sedan, the redesigned A7 Sportback will use a 340 horsepower, 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Audi claims that the car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.3 seconds and has a top speed of 155 miles per hour. It says fuel economy will be about 34 miles per gallon. The new A7 will employ a 48-volt electrical system, giving the car mild hybrid capability. Audi says that the system can recuperate up to 12 kilowatts through braking, and that on the highway the A7 can coast in freewheeling mode with the engine deactivated at speeds from 34 to 99 miles per hour. Other fuel-saving technology includes a start-stop system, which is able to use the front camera to monitor the leading vehicle. When that vehicle starts moving forward, the A7 will restart the engine without any action from the driver. The 2019 A7 will also feature Audi's AI systems, which can maneuver the car autonomously into and out of a parking space. The driver can be in the car while this happens hands-free or outside, monitoring the action by smartphone. When the A7 was introduced in Europe in October 2017, an Audi spokesman, Mark Dawn, told Consumer Reports that it was too early to know which autonomous features would appear on A7s sold in the US. The interior of the A7 is quite radical and futuristic looking, dominated by two large touchscreens, which replace the rotary knob and associated buttons found in current Audis. This new system uses haptic feedback. Users will feel a sensation at their fingertips, and sounds to confirm that a command has been accepted. The 10.1-inch top screen is slightly turned toward the driver and can be used to access the Audi multimedia interface, MI, infotainment system. Sitting below that screen is an 8.6-inch touchscreen that houses climate control and comfort functions, and acts as a text input screen. A head-up display, which projects relevant information onto the windshield in front of the driver, is optional. The optional MMI Navigation Plus system comes with the 12.3-inch instrument panel Audi calls a virtual cockpit. It can highlight functions, audio, navigation, phone,